about 80, I think, there. We'll come down to turn one.
Turn one there, Chris.
Roll back to the power here as we come out of turn one. Come up to turn number 2 right here. Heads us into turn 3. So we'll get through 3, left-hand turn through here.
This is where all the wrecks happen.
Yep, right there. It's on the wall is what it is there. We'll brake here. This is turn 4. Right by the Nissan tent. Go through 4. Back through 5A, 5B here.
Oh yeah.
Lift here. Some S-turns coming up as we roll through here. Come out of this section.
Woo, doggy. The S-turns are fun.
And we'll head to the high-speed S's up by the villas here. We'll make the left turn in. Back to the right. So we go up over the rise.
Whoa.
Back to the left. Back to the right.
Fun.
And we come to what we call South Bend here. We'll make this turn here. We'll make the left-hander. Roll back to the power at this point. Down the hill.
Sweet.
Ease back to the brakes. Turn in. Bit of brakes here. Back to the right. On the gas. Down the long back straightaway here. Down here. Fifth. Through here.
We're rolling now. What's that speed?
That was about 130 there.
130. Yes, sir.
Ease her down, coming into roller coaster. Down to 4th. Down to 3rd. Drop it down the hill. This is called roller coaster down.
Roller coaster, buddy.
Ease it down.
Whoa.
Dropping it down. Here we go. On a roller coaster into hog pen. You'll feel why it's hog pen here. We'll go left.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Back to the right. And then it compresses and we got to get back to the power. Up the straightaway. Back to where we started.
Nice.
Awesome, man. Right. That's a lap around VIR.
Thank you,
Nissan
man.
GTR.